Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, hopefully. If not, check out my recent other posts. So anyway, I am filming an unboxing of my FabFitFun box for the winter time. This is kind of late, I think, into the season, but I was supposed to get the box way before Christmas, which I did get it before Christmas, but it was a couple weeks before, and then we had a lot of snow here, and so it kept getting like pushed back, and so then I filmed the video and then I lost the SD card. So I'm filming the video again because I promised this video in my holiday makeup look. So I'm just going to show you what the box looks like. It's already opened, obviously, but anyway, these would be down, right? So this is the front, it just says FabFitFun. And then it just, on the inside, it says find your cozy. So that is what the box looks like. And then it comes with like a little catalog magazine. It has different stuff in it. It also shows you everything in the box and what it's worth. So if you don't know, FabFitFun is a subscription box. It's $50 and it comes once every season, so 4 times a year. And depending on like what kind of member you are, some of the items you can customize, some of them you can't. So you can actually get on there early before the box comes out, and it'll say like, do you want this or this, and you can choose, or you can click surprise me, or you don't have to do that at all. I didn't do that this time because I was busy getting married and was not worried about it, missed the cutoff time. So I did do that the other 2 times I received a box. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. So this is the first thing I got. This is a blanket that did not come like this. It came rolled up. It's called the Mark and Graham Color Block Throw, and this is in natural and ivory. So I'm going to stand up so you can see it. So that's like the color blocking right there. And then it has a little fringe on the sides. So this says it's a value of $49. I personally think that that is overpriced, which you don't pay that for it when you get it in the box because the box is only $50. But it's very soft and it's a nice blanket, but it's very thin. I don't know how it'll wear because it's like kind of fuzzy, not like really, but I don't know like if it'll pick really easy. So I feel like $49 was a steep price for that item, but I still like it. I'm just telling you how I feel about the quality of it. Nice quality, but it's a lot. Okay, so let's see. The next thing is this bear paw set. This is it says combo headband and pop top glove duo. So it has this like really fuzzy headband, like sweater band, I don't know, and then it has these mitten gloves. They have like your fingers cut out for gloves, and then they have where you the mitten part that you can fold over to cover your fingers and keep them warm. So those are nice. It says these are a value of $45. It's from Bear Paw, which is in recent years has like kind of raised their prices. So I mean, I don't know if I'd pay that for it, but I don't know. I like it. I really like these. I think they're super cute and comfy. So okay, so these were in my drawer. These are, it says over the knee textured sock by Richard Poorer Raina. That's what the packaging looks like. So I actually have tried these on. They were in my drawer, but they actually don't go over my knee. They just go right to like the middle of my knee, which is kind of weird length, but anyway, it's pretty nice. It says these are $24. Alright, next item are Elevate Essential Oils. This comes with 2. It comes with sweet orange and eucalyptus oil, and it's a value of $31. Now when I filmed this video the last time, I was thinking, I don't have like a diffuser, I'm not really into essential oils. And then I remembered that this sweet orange one is supposed to be good for headaches. And I've been getting a lot of headaches lately. I'm actually starting to get one now, but that might be because I haven't eaten. So I'm actually thinking I might try it out. I think you can just like put it on your wrist or like right here to smell. And this one smells really good. So this one would be like it smells like straight like real oranges. So the other one's a lot stronger, but the other one, it says, helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms. This one would ease stomach cramps and headaches. So maybe this will be good for when I'm on my period. I'm actually going to drop a little bit on my wrist right now because, I don't know, I just want to smell it. This one smells really nice and fresh, like a real orange. Okay, next is this jewelry portfolio. It says the H. Halston Jewelry Portfolio at a value of $48. Has this really nice zipper on it. I like it. I think it's like nice. It's not your average zipper. But so if you open it up, it's got two sides. This side has a little zipper pocket for you to put stuff in right here. And then up top have like this belt thing that unclips. I guess you can put stuff in there and clip it so it doesn't like move around. And then this one has a bunch of little holes for earrings. And then it has a protector in the middle. You flip it over. It has another, the same kind of belt down here. And then these look like obviously for necklaces. So each one of them has a separate button. So you button it down. I think this is really nice and something I wouldn't have purchased for myself. But, especially at $48. But, it's good because when I travel, I will take a little Ziploc, not Ziploc, but like a zip-up bag, like a little tiny one that came with like perfume from Bath and Body Works or something, and just throw all kinds of jewelry in there, gets tangled, then I'm on vacation, don't end up wearing any of it because it's tangled, and so, anyway, I have a bad habit of doing that, plus it's bad for your jewelry, so it's a nice thing to have. Alright, and then we have this Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in the color Stella. I really like the color of this packaging. That is how, this is the color of this too. I actually saw somebody post either on Instagram or YouTube, I can't remember what, but something from this brand, and it wasn't this, so it wasn't from like a FabFitFun box probably. I think it was Kathleen Light's, and I'm not sure. So anyway, I had never heard of this brand and I don't know where you can buy it, but it seems interesting because, like I said, new brands are cool. So this says, infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil, this silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes, valued at $24. And like it suggests you highlight the inner corners of your eyes for a brightening effect. And then, so what's really cool about this, here's the tip of it. Okay, and then on the other end, it shows you like the color, and you can twist this off right here. Oh no, you don't twist it. You just pull. Okay, you pull it, and it's a sharpener. So that is awesome because I always lose sharpeners, and this is like a weird size. I like rolled it all out. So I'm gonna put this on my hand, but in the last time I tried to show this, it did not show up very well in the camera. I just saw my hand because I'm super pale. So I don't know if you can see that. You can yeah, you can see it. But I'm super pale. So if I put it on my eyes right now, you're probably not going to notice it much because I already have makeup on. I might just dab a little bit in there. I mean, you can kind of see it. But I already have makeup on, so I'm just using the viewfinder to do this really quick. But I think this is awesome. And I'd actually really like to try out some other stuff from the brand. Find out where it comes from, or like where you can buy it. But yeah. Oh, this is really cool. It says Beauty with a Purpose on the side. It says, for every product you purchase, we donate one to a woman in need. So that is awesome. ThriveCosmetics.com. So I guess that's where you can get it. It also says on the FabFitFun box that in support of Kindness Factory, but I don't know if that's like an organization or what that is. So then we have another beauty product from Bite Beauty, which a lot of people in like the beauty world have heard of this. So it's not just a bunch of stuff that is no good. This is valued at $26. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouge lipstick in meringue. And I think it smells pretty good. I think it kind of smells like meringue, and maybe I'm crazy, but anyway, it's a nice I feel like it's a pretty matte formula. It's a nice nude right there. So now that I'm filming this video for the second time, I can finally take this out of the packaging and start using it. So I've been trying to keep everything together, and I've been wanting to use some of this stuff really bad. Alright, next, I have 2 things left. Both of them are like facial stuff. So the first one is these, I don't know how you say this, BLAQ block hydrogel eye masks with hyaluronic acid. So it comes with 5, so it's like the eye patches that you put under your eyes. It says good to detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. And I don't know if I said it's valued at $29, so I'm always up for this. I actually wanted some of these. I got a bunch of face masks for Christmas, but I didn't get any eye masks, so glad I have those. And then the very last item, which I have literally wanted to use this super badly, but I have not because I knew I had to film this video again. So this is the Ahava, I'm going to try and say it like that, hydration cream mask. And I have super dry skin, so hydration masks are great. It says, enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E, this rich creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. So this is valued at $33. And it says, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave all night. And I have never used a leave all night mask because I feel like I could not sleep. But I guess it's time to try it out, you know? Doesn't really, I can't smell it much, but it's just like a white creamy formula. So anyway, that is everything in my FabFit box, FabFitFun box. I will link their website in the description, and if you got one, then let me know what came in yours, and if you liked it or whatever, let me know what videos you want to see next. I'm gonna planning to film 2018 favorites video soon. So anyway, stay tuned for that, and subscribe, like, all that jazz. Subscribe for more videos because I'm trying to keep the ball rolling. So anyway, because sometimes that's been a task for me, but anyway, I'm trying to do a regular thing. I don't know what the regular thing is going to be, but I'm trying to post pretty frequently. So anyway, comment any suggestions or anything you have for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.